Okay na po, sir? Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? Good. Okay. I will discuss about the back care. Our topic for today is about back care. So, back care is massaging and cleaning the patient, which leads the patient to the power point for the pointed. Ayun na yun.
Masarap?
Massaging and comfort for the relaxation service and cleaning.
Okay. So, relaxation, cleaning, massaging, checking also of the back ulcers or mga pressure ulcers, mga ganun, skin conditions assessment.
Okay. These are the
Materials?
2 basin.
What is that for? Para saan yung basin mo?
This basin is for the dirt, after
okay.
and this for the hot and water.
Okay.
Lotion, sabon, gauze, and oil if oil you want. We have lotion also.
Okay.
Two towel, marking stone, one big towel for if you clean the back of the patient, no? So the top sheet will not have water. Okay. So let example I have glass now. So let's proceed the procedure.
Okay.
Now I put gloves.
Hand washing, then gloves,
Hand washing.
and then identify the patient.
Yeah. I put the gloves, and then I will put the patient. Mr. Johnson, how are you today? I'm Rhea Samiano, your nursing assistant, and I will clean your back, and I will.
Why? Why will you clean my back?
Because so that you're not cause for
Because
sores like this. No, sir. So, sir, it's okay for you.
Yes.
Okay.
But I'm actually not a patient here.
Okay.
My dad is the patient.
Okay, sir. Gonna take her.
What's my name? Ask for my name.
Johnson. What is your name, Mr. Johnson? What is your name?
My name is Richard Johnson.
Can I see your name, sir?
No. Date of birth ba? Don't forget.
Yes. And what is your date of birth, sir?
Dirt of bait. Baliktad. Oh, no. Kawawa naman. Rhea, bakit ka ba natatakot? Kami lang to.
What is your date?
Are you, do you like her? You don't like her? Do you hate her?
No.
You love her, right?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, okay. Love.
What is your date of birth, sir?
Okay. So identify the patient. Next. Okay, you put on the gloves. Close the room. Why do you close the room?
And I will close the curtain so that privacy of the patient.
Okay. Then according to number 6, you have to assess the pain now. Assess the pain. Ayun na nga, tinutulungan na kita. Number 6, kung assess the pain. So, ask for the patient's pain level.
Okay, sir. What is the pain for you?
The pain. What is the pain? What do you mean the pain?
What is the pain? 0 to
To?
to 10.
Yeah, what is 10 and what is
10
0?
is the worst pain, and 0 is normal.
Oh, 8.
No pain.
Okay, sir. We will prepare now the...
Okay. Next, raise the bed. Why do you raise the bed?
I will...
7.
To keep the safe on attempt over the age, sir. To support intent, prevent the patient for falling.
Kunin mo na yung copy.
Uy, wag kang matakot. Ano ka ba? Kami lang to. Bakit ka ba? Sabihin mga arrrrrrr.
Sige lang, di.
To support the falling, sir.
Tingnan mo, para kami nanood lang ng ano dito. Oh. Sine. Bakit mo kailangan erase ang bed?
Para po comfortable siya.
Yes, for comfortable. Sino comfortable? Ikaw or a patient?
Patient po.
No, ikaw.
Para hindi ka mag-ano.
Para hindi ka
Para po hindi ako mag-bend yung...
Yes. So, paano mag-bed? Okay, so now you have to position your patient. Anong dapat ang position ni patient? Number 8.
Position.
Assist the patient to a comfortable position, preferably prone or side lying.
Side lying. So I will, Mr. Johnson, I will move you in a side lying position.
Ganun ba mag-move? Huh? Did I teach you how to move the patient? Not yet.
Count.
Did I? Bed making, right?
Yeah, that is it.
So you have to inform the Mr.
Okay,
Johnson.
Mr.
I'm going to
Johnson.
move you to the other
I
side.
will move you to the other side.
In the count of
In
3.
the count of 3.
Where do you put your hands? Yung kamay ni patient na saan ba dapat?
Okay, here. And then 1, 2, 3.
Okay. For the benefit of our class and for the video, put the patient on a prone position. Yung nakatalukbong. Ano tawag sa Tagalog doon? Huwag yung side lying, yung ano ba yung nakaganyan? Hindi siya nakatihaya, naka-opposite siya ng tihaya. Anong Tagalog
Ganito
na?
po.
Yun, nakadapa. Okay.
Okay.
And then,
And I will take also the this one.
no, nakadapa.
Cover.
Oh, sige, yan na lang.
Cover in the below of the like that. Nakadapa po. Okay lang. Eh, may bedsole yata. Ganyan na lang po.
Pag tinagya mo nun, parang Mr. Johnson, hindi mo makain.
Okay. Warm the...
You have to put the towels muna. Drape the patients. Obvious, every time you have to drape. Tama na yan. Yeah, side lying tayo or prone position. But for the benefit nga ng video natin at saka ng demo mo, i-prone mo lang.
Okay. We will put the towel to prevent the water. This one not
Leakage of water to the mattress or the bottom sheet.
This one.
What do you call the blue one?
Rubber sheet. Rubber sheet ba?
Or, ano tawag niyo dyan?
Okay.
Ha?
Ma-
Ano ba tawag dyan ngayon?
Walking foam.
Anong tawag dyan is incontinence pad, blue pad, pwede
Blue
din
pad.
ganun. Okay, and then
And then
you have to
this-
put on the bath blanket
Towel.
or bath towel. Okay. Okay, done. Next. Number 10. Maglagay ka daw ng lotion or warm water.
Okay. I will. Warm water to clean the back. upward motion.
Tamang exercise ka na day.
And then I will using a light
Gliding.
stroke, apply lotion. I will apply lotion if the patient want lotion. It's okay also for oil. Okay, I put lotion. And I will give the effleurage massage. And takes the blood like this, from up, shoulder, and slightly, and then down. This one we will call effleurage.
So, down and they went where?
Shoulder and down to the bottom. Effleurage.
Raj.
Effleurage. Yeah. Okay. And then I will ask also the patient if she want more techniques like
Ay.
vibration.
Ay. Okay, now let's go through the different types of massages. Number 12.
Okay.
Effleurage,
Effleurage.
yung kanina.
Like promotion techniques like this, no? Up to shoulder, down to bottom, the circular motion so that the blood is circulate. And
Petrissage.
Petrissage is like this.
Wala po kaming nakitang difference.
Apply to the tissue muscle.
Hawak, can you hold this one?
Like this. Okay. This one is Petrissage. Like this. Like kneading. Upward. Shoulder to both. That is Petrissage.
Okay.
Petrissage. And then Tapotment. Tapotment is like this. Tapping. Like tapping like this. One. Down. Huh?
Okay.
Up. Down. Vibration. Vibration is like this. From down to up, shoulder. Like this. Up to the bottom. Like that. And friction to this one. To the muscle. Like this.
That is all.
Petrissage. Asan ang friction dyan?
Like this po. Friction dyan. Ito po yung gano'n. From the spinal, no? Here. Like this. Friction. Okay.
Pain level, still 8. Need the patient's skin. Ano yung need?
Need.
Reduce muscle tightness by increasing temperature of soft tissues, increasing blood circulation. It stimulates increase of temperature by friction against the skin. Complete the massage with additional long stroking motions that eventually become lighter pressure. Okay, and then you use the towel to pat the patient's dry and remove excess lotion. Why do you have to remove the excess lotion?
So that it's not cause for bed sores also.
Do you remember the bacteria loves to stay in a warm and moist area?
Less the lotion.
Remove the gloves, remove the PPE, and then evaluate the patient's pain level. Okay? Thank you.